How to download WeChat application on mobile. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download WeChat application on your device. For that, you'll have to open your Play Store of your device or App Store if you are using iOS device. Now on this interface of the Play Store, here at the top you will find the search bar. Click on the search bar and type the keyword WeChat. Then press the search icon of your keyboard. You will find the search results. Here the second one is the official WeChat application. At the right side you will see install button to start downloading the application on your device. Now wait patiently until the app's installation and download process completes. Once the installation process completes, you will see open option at the right side of the application. Go ahead and tap on it and create an account and explore the application on your device. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.